In his 1835 concession speech, after losing the election for Congress, Davy Crockett simply said, "You may all go to hell, and I will go to Texas." This is me and her after kids. I'm me, and that's her. That's what we're doing. We're headed to Texas. This is Labor Day weekend. We're gonna take 5 days. Dove season, opening days tomorrow. I'll be in the field. It's supposed to be 103 degrees. I'm gonna melt. I'm not even gonna render. Y'all hop in. It's gonna be a long trip, but it'll be sure well worth it. That's the smell of Texas. Truly amazing. Man, I've missed it. Only 7 hours and 12 minutes left to go. Our arrival time is around 10:33 tonight. Man, we're gonna have fun though. After 11 and a half hours, 4 stops, $242 worth of diesel, we finally arrived. It's almost midnight. We're pulling into the driveway. We're done. That was a long drive. We'll see you tomorrow. Quick shot. Yeah, 14. That was belly legs up on that one. Here's the deal. It's 104 degrees. We limited out in an hour and a half. I wasn't ready for this. It's like I'm drowning. I spent too much time up north. Shagging them birds, I need a dog is what I need. I need a good bird dog, one that's already trained. I ain't got time for it. That was a good hunt right there. Hour and a half, limit out. Not bad. I ain't gonna tell you how many shells I shot. That just ain't right. I'll never become a member of the One Box Club, let's put it that way. The only how I'm ever gonna get one of them stickers is if I buy a truck with one already on it. Man, great times though, but it's time to cool down a little bit. Good morning. It's Saturday, morning hunt. This will be the first full day we're out here at the ranch. If
Yesterday, we got here the heat of the day. It was hot. I don't know if you noticed, but it was hot. Today, we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully we're gonna have a big dove roast this afternoon. That's the idea. I mean, we already have 30. We're gonna try to have about 90 tonight. So we'll see what happens. I'm fixing to go out in the field. I'm gonna put my decoys out, put my mojos out, get all that stuff going. Hopefully be as good as last night.
Well, what the hell? How do you call that?
I called we're gonna eat it tonight.
I'll let you have it.
Right there. Hey, I'm just pointing them out.
Do that here in a second. Now point them out.
You should be able to.
Right there, Jared.
I got him. No, I don't. Sight.
Just kidding. There it is, right there, right there, right there.
Somebody's knocking them down.
You got it?
I'm fixing to miss 2 more times. Hold on. Yeah, that'll be a header. Got him spotted. Just keep him spotted for a second. Here we go.
Alright, we're going after this one.
Got that one. The only thing more pretty than a West Texas sunrise is a West Texas sunset. Man, it's beautiful out here. Hold on. It's beautiful out here, and I miss it so much. Well, I was videoing. You know, I got fans now, right? I had to talk to them about the West Texas sunrise. There's only one thing more prettier than that.
I think I actually hit that one.
You got that one.
Huh?
You got that one 100%. I ain't hitting. Nice shot. I'm gonna miss everything that's coming in.
Right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi. Right at you.
It's
You're
too
right.
early to talk
You're right.
about
It was
Christmas
my fault.
plans.
So
It's
sorry.
too early to talk about Christmas
Mamaw
plans.
just
right
asked me if we could talk about it, okay?
Look at all them.
We'll go with that.
That is a full herd.
Look at that, Dad.
It's coming in.
Dad.
See?
You don't?
You would think. You didn't hit that one. Millie, come on.
All right, go, Gito. Go, 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 go. Quick, quick, quick. Run, run, run.
Come on.
Run, run, run.
Look at you.
Come here, sister. I'll take your picture.
Good job, Nils. Good job, baby.
He's so proud. You'd have thought you shot him yourself. Go put him over there.
You girls are being so good.
My shoulder is toast.
I bet. There you go.
God dang.
That was a good shot.
Yeah.
Limit only took 14 boxes of shells.
1 box per bird.
All right, go help Uncle Tony.
Get it, Tilly. Good job. All right.
There you go. Oh, watch out.
You know, there's a lot of things that you can experience in life. Sometimes
They're good, sometimes they're bad. But I can tell you right now, no matter how many mountains I climb, how many places I go, there's something about camp. It's just, I don't know. I really don't have any words for it. Family, friends, good music, good food. Something about camp. You never experienced it, bud, I'm sorry. But I'll tell you right now, go get you a camp. Seems like things are a lot slower, a lot happier. I don't know. Midday entertainment here at the ranch. Birds ain't flying, but the lead is.
There's no more birds. It's still early.
Teaching them right.
There you go.
Not bad.
Look, D-Top went and got that for you.
That's a long shot.
Look at her, she's so mad.
Modern day hunter feeds the tribe. Here's the dog.
You see that? It wasn't me.
Smoked a pork butt all day. Got a lot of these dove wrapped in bacon with some jalapeno in it. Homemade coleslaw.
Go ahead. Come on now.
What you need, baby?
Spoils of the day.
Good job. I think it's the 30-minute nap she got today. It's only 30 minutes? It's okay. I don't want to say until you...
I can't believe this whole pork
Wow. Yeah.
pork butt fell out of the sky.
Baby, you're ruining the video. I'm sorry.
As if it's not even hot enough. But the grandbabies want s'mores, so we do s'mores. Sunday morning. This is I guess our last morning here. Everybody's going to be leaving here in a little while. So I guess we're going to go ahead and head back to Colorado ourselves. I'm here with my oldest grandbaby, Rebecca. She's going to sit with me this morning and be my bird shagger, if I can even knock anything out of the air. This is a good morning. It's nice and cool. It's a typical West Texas morning. Yeah, it's gonna be good. We'll see what we can do.
More pressure. Come here.
See the bird.
It's more pressure. Right here. See? Watch. Put your thumbs on this
Something
side.
poked me.
Yeah, it's a bone. Ready? Pull.
Oh, that's how you do
Pull.
it.
Pull.
It's
Just like
dead.
that. See?
It is. So that the skin can come out?
Yeah. Perfect. Look
I
at that.
touched
See?
it. You did?
And then you got to find that yellow spot.
I want to see
Down here?
it.
It's right in your face.
It's literally right there.
What a great way to end a great weekend with family. All together out here at the ranch. Man, you can't get any better than this. I don't care. The bluest mountains, the coldest streams. It can't compete. There's nothing can compete. We're gonna cut this a day short, I guess. Everybody's got to get back. It gives us a chance to hang out, get our apartment back in order, get ready for another week. This has been a good weekend, I can tell you that. A lot of birds, a lot of shooting. Everybody's limited out several times. One of the best years yet. We had a lot of rain down here 2 months ago, and I guess that's what did it. Sunflowers are just plentiful everywhere. Yeah, it's been good. Well, being that we're a day early, I think we're gonna maybe head by the cliff dwellings or something on the way home. Spend a day screwing around out there somewhere. After all, it is Labor Day weekend. Might as well take advantage of it. Other than that, man, I appreciate y'all hanging around. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. If that's what you want to do, I'd appreciate it. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Can't thank you enough. Always remember, leave it better than you found it. So until then, I'll see you down the road.